Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Nash County, southeastern Franklin County, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Nashville, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rocky Mount, Nashville, Dorches, Bailey, Bunn, Red Oak, Sharpsburg, Spring Hope, Pilot and Tar River Reservoir. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Franklin and Nash.